Hello there. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome. And thank you for clicking. I thank all my subscribers and returnees. Thank you so much. And those of you that haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Let's subscribe. Okay? Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's channel again. Now, today is going to be also short and sweet. We're still continuing the pant. This time we're doing the same thing, but size medium, between 5 and 6. Okay? With side pocket, inside side pocket. Okay? And the same thing as I walk you through before how to finish your elastic. Different way of finishing your elastic is the same thing. Okay? So there and there. Now, I've cut all my pieces. I've joined the inseam. Okay? One front, one back. Okay? And then I've stitched the crotch. All serge, press, open. Okay, now I'm gonna switch the camera around and then I'm gonna pin the pocket. And then this time I'll take you to the machine and then we'll continue from there. So hold on. Thank you. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, on the right side, as I said, I've stitched all the inseam and the crotch. Okay. So on the right side, pin your pocket. Make sure you have your notches. No, this one. There, that one. And this one. There we go. Make sure you got your notches. I'll just pin one side with you. And we're going to stitch 3/8. There we go. And this side. Make sure you get your notches right. I'm looking for my notch. Okay. See my notch? So I've pinned the front. And I'm going to go to the machine with you. And I'm going to stitch all the pocket. And then we'll continue from there. Okay? So hold on. Hello there. I'm back. Okay, I've stitched the back. And I'm going to stitch the front with you, okay? The pocket. You put the right side of the pocket to the right side of the pant, matching all your notches to stitch 3/8. One more. Okay, this is the front. And this is the back of the pant. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to serge the side seam, press it, and I'll be back. So hold on. Hello there, I'm back. I've done one side, finished the pocket. What is this shadow? Okay. Now I'm going to walk you through the side. After you stitch the 3/8 of the pocket to the side seam of the pant, you serge it or you use your zigzag, and then you press it towards the pocket. Then you understitch both pocket. This way it lies very smooth and nice. Both front and back pocket, understitch. Okay, now put it together. Pocket, top, and I hope you have all your notches, and then it will be easier for you to follow and to stitch it easily when you have all your notches matching. Okay, I've pinned my pocket, but from the waist down, you stitch all the way down to where you have your notch. From the waist down, you backstitch at the waist, you backstitch at where the notch ends, you cut your thread, and then you can start either from the pocket edge all the way around and come all the way up from the edge, all the way around, and then come all the way up to the pant itself, and then you stitch it all the way down. Anyway, let me walk you through it. Let's do the waist to the pocket edge first. I'm looking for my notch. I mark it with a pencil, so it will be easier for me. There we go. 5/8. Let me see if I have it. And then you can turn it around and stitch it. Do your back stitch, so to be easier and smooth for you to to back stitch. You can also stitch it all the way back to the waistline if you want. That means you have 2 stitches. Okay, now I'm going to stitch at the edge of the pocket as I said earlier and come all the way on an angle to the notch again, and then go all the way to the hemline of the pant. Okay, so far as you have your notches, it will be so easy for you to follow. Now let me look for my other notch. I think it's at the bottom. So let me put a pin there for me to get my notch. Okay, here we go. And also 5/8. There. Sometimes I back stitch at that corner because our hand is in and out the pocket. Oops, I went past the hemline. My goodness. So I turn it backwards and I do it. Okay, there. There we go. I keep having a shadow. I don't know why I have a shadow. Okay, now the next thing that I'm going to do is serge the pocket edge and run it off at this point. Okay, I'll run it off just like I have done this side. And then I'm going to pin the pocket towards the front pant. I'm going to snip the back seam. Okay, I'm going to put the elastic in, hem it, and I'll be back. Because all last week I walked you through all that without the pocket. We did everything exactly like last week, the pant that I sewn. And the only difference is we added the pocket to this one. Okay, so I'll be right back. Hold on, thank you. Hello there, I'm back. Everything is done. The pocket is done. Hemline is done. Elastic is in. Okay. If you have the same pattern or a different pattern but similar to this and you follow it, you'll be good to go. Okay. So this is it. There we go. That's our pocket. This side too. Okay, so this is so simple and straightforward. Side of the pocket. Okay, so this is it. We all done. All done. Now next week, God willing, let's make girls' blouse. Okay, it's Butterwick 4274. Excuse me, Butterwick 4274. Okay, and it's girls size 7 to 14, and we're gonna do this. Okay, so this is the end. Excuse me, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy sewing, and then I'll see you next week. Bye. Thank you. Bye bye.